Alright, this lock here, I had gotten when I first started picking. I got a hold of Bosnian Bill in the lock lab, and I was just starting out. I said, "Hey, Bill, you got any extra locks you want to get rid of?" And he actually sent me a couple of great locks, and I was so grateful. And this was one of them, anyways, right here. He actually featured it on one of his videos. He picked it, and I'm gonna try picking it here. I'm not gonna go ahead and take it apart because I really just like the lock, honestly, and I don't know how to take them apart and get them back together easily. But it is a working lock. It's an Abus. That's all it says. There's no other markings on it. But anyways, we'll give it a shot here. Tell you what, I've watched many of Bosnian Bill's videos. He's taught me a whole lot. I think that's good right there, right? Good enough. Trying to center that a little better. Should work. Alright, try that. That'll work. Alright, let's give this thing a shot here. I like using these high hooks on this one for some reason. Just works out better because you can go from the bottom anyway, so yeah, I'm a big fan of the Lock Lab there. I feel like there we go, a little false set. I think that's like 4. If I remember right, there's 5 pins in here. Counter rotation, I think that was 2. Coming back out. I think that hook might be a little too high. There we go. Alright, like I said, it's not that difficult to pick, but I just love this lock, this Euro cylinder here. It's made so well. Picking it's really fun. Again, thanks Bosnian Bill. Really appreciated all the locks you sent me, and thank you very much for watching. And by the way, yesterday when I got that stuff from Trekmaster 30, I didn't realize this thing was wrapped up in a box. Beautiful pick he sent me. Just gorgeous. Can't wait to tear it up a little bit. Alright, thank you.